In front of me is Motorola Moto G86 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Tap on Device Unlock over here and select Face Unlock. Following that, enter your current screen lock and tap on Setup at the bottom right corner twice. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finish, to manage all of those options however you want to, hit Next at the bottom right corner and Done also at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!